There is ATM machine. Initially it contains total of k units of money. Okay, n people numbered 1 through n want to withdraw money. For each valid I, that the ith person want to withdraw ith unit of money. The people come in and try to withdraw money one by one. The increasing order of their indices, whenever someone tries to withdraw money, if the machine has the list at least the required amount of money, it will give out the required amount. Otherwise it will throw an error and not give out anything. In that case, the person will return home directly without trying to do anything else. For each person, determine whether they will get required amount of money or not. Input. So in input, the first line of contains a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Okay, and the first line of each test case contains two space separated integer n and k. The second line contains n space separated integers. Okay, here there are two test cases and 5 number of peoples who are going to withdraw the money. Okay, and the 10 is a amount of money in ATM. So we will start and we want the output in this format. Okay, for that, if we have 10 rupees in machine, if first person withdraws 3 rupees, then we will have 7. Okay, the next person, that is 1, we will be printing 1. If the second person he can withdraw 5 rupees from 7 person, then we will print 1, and the next person will require 3, that is we only have 2 rupees and he want to withdraw 3 rupees, so we will print 0. The next person comes and he withdraws 2 rupees, that is we have 2 rupees, and then he can withdraw, so we will print 1, and the next person is want to withdraw 1 rupees, but we have only 0 rupees, so we will print 0. This is the same in that case. Okay, so let's start the to solve. Submit. Here we will check first t test cases equal to int convert input string into int. Okay, and then we will for loop I in range of t. So here we will take number of people and the value, that is map will map into int comma input, that is split. Okay, the next, so we need amount. Okay, peoples. Okay, for that people equal to list, then map int convert every input, that is splitted, okay, into int, that will return this will split string into arrays, that is, and it will convert int. Okay, so map will convert into every string, that is into int, and then next we will take one strs for string, and then for loop. Okay, for j in till n. So want to people, all people want to withdraw money, so our n is peoples. Okay, number of people. Okay, and this is amount. Sorry, I will take it amount. So amount want to these peoples want to withdraw this amount. Okay, and then we will check if amount of j is less than or equal to k. Okay, here is k is capital, and then is then we will replace value of a k. We want to reduce the value, that is k of amount of j. If we succeeded, then we are going to strs plus str of 1. okay, we are going to add 1 to the string, so we can print it. okay, else we can do x, but we are going to here add zeros. okay, suppose हमें क्या करना है, पहला इनपुट टेस्ट केसेस लेना है, उसके बाद हम उन टेस्ट केसेस को लूप करेंगे. दैट इज़ हमारा टेस्ट केसेस, जैसे कि यहाँ पे फर्स्ट टेस्ट केस आया 2 है, तो यहाँ पे आएगा. यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि 5 नंबर ऑफ पीपल वांट टू विड्रॉ मनी एंड वी हैव 10 रुपीज़. ओके, सो दिस विल बी आवर नेक्स्ट लाइन विच इज़ वी वांट टू, and this amount, this line is referring to this. okay, so this is amount. क्या है ये? अमाउंट है जो हर पीपल, जो पीपल, ये वाले पीपल ये करना चाहते हैं, विड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं. तो हमने स्ट्रिंग लिया है ताकि हम स्ट्रिंग प्रिंट कर सके 100 वाली. तो हमें क्या करना है, फिर n तक लूप करना है. हर एक आदमी आएगा, ये नंबर ऑफ़ पीपल्स है, एक पीपल आएगा और उसकी अमाउंट ये चेक करेगा कि हमें यहाँ पे चेक करना है कि जो विड्रॉल्स अमाउंट करना चाहता है बैंक अमाउंट में है कि नहीं. अगर है तो हम क्या करेंगे, हम उसको अमाउंट को माइनस करेंगे और स्ट्रिंग में क्या करेंगे, 1 ऐड करेंगे ताकि सक्सेसफुली विड्रॉ होने की चांसेस है. अगर अमाउंट इज़ लेस देन, सपोज एक पर्सन 5 रुपीज़ लेना चाहता है और बैंक में सिर्फ 4 रुपीज़ है, तो हमें वो विड्रॉ नहीं कर सकता. इसलिए हमें क्या करना है, ज़ीरो, स्ट्रिंग में 0 ऐड करना है. और उसके बाद हम क्या करेंगे, प्रिंट करेंगे सॉरी प्रिंट, अरे यार, print strs. okay, so let's check. We need this example sample input and we will paste here. okay, already pasted here. okay, then we'll run this. Let's check what will be output. okay, we have got same output. that is, suppose there are 5 people and we have 10 rupees. okay, one person, first person comes and he withdraws 3 rupees from a train, so we have 7 rupees, so we have printed 1. And then next person comes and withdraws 5 rupees, we have 7 rupees, so he can withdraw money, yes, so 1. So next time person, we have only, then after deducting 3 and 5 we have only remains 2 rupees. Then next person want to withdraw 3 rupees, so he cannot withdraw money. Then next person comes to and want to withdraw 2 rupees and we have 2 rupees, so we will allow him to withdraw that 2 rupees, that is 1. And the next person comes to withdraw 1 rupees and we in ATM only have a 0 rupees, so he cannot withdraw money. Same for this. okay, so this is our example. okay, we will now submit it and check if it will correct or not with the all test cases. Yes, the status is correct answer and time required 0.03 seconds. okay, thank you for watching.